I hope this is in focus. Okay, this took way too long. I've been doing this since like 12 p.m. today. I've turned my room upside down for this, and my dad has been ironing clothes for me for the past 3 hours. So please watch this till the end. Thank you.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Welcome back, guys. I'm Sanchita if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be styling ethnic and Indo-Western clothing for an entire week. So I'm going to share with you some like tips and tricks to help you kind of integrate. So I'm gonna show you how you can integrate ethnic clothing and Indo-Western clothing into your everyday life. So yeah, enjoy! Hello, this is voiceover Sanchita. For the first day, I went pretty basic and put on a white kurti and denim wide-leg pants. In my opinion, kurtis and wide-leg pants are a match made in heaven. Also, yes, I know there's a small little yellow stain on my kurti, but there's only so much I could do to escape from haldi. I decided to pair this outfit with a pair of white sneakers, a white floral choker, and a pair of fake pearl earrings. The next day, I styled the same kurti except with a printed white skirt and the same white shoes. For my accessories, I kept it simple and wore a pair of bead earrings. On day 3, I threw it back to retro Bollywood fashion and wore a black kurti with these red printed pants and of course my black boots. When trying to pair pieces like this, make sure at least one color matches to pull it all together. To dive further into retro Bollywood, I wore a red scarf courtesy of my mum on my head and a pair of gold hoops. Keeping retro Bollywood in mind, this outfit too is inspired by that era. I wore a white kurti with printed pink pants and white shoes. I also changed the way I wore the scarf, kept the same gold hoops as earlier, and I added an anklet. Day 5's outfit is slightly more contemporary. I wore a short cream kurti with green printed culottes and matched it with this gorgeous green silk dupatta. I added some jhumkis and let my hair down for this look. This look is honestly my favorite. I paired the same cream kurti except this time with a pair of wine-colored corduroy pants and a dark olive green oversized blazer. Believe it or not, this kurti belonged to my mom in the 90s. Along with this outfit, I wore my trusty black boots and a pair of silver earrings. This is actually the second last day, so please don't leave when I'm done with this outfit. On this day, I wore a white kurti with these blue pants and matched my dupatta to my pants while bringing in some magenta to make the outfit pop. I paired this outfit with some simple silver pseudo hoops. Yes, that is a day 8 because I got carried away and styled a really cool outfit. I wore this maroon salwar with a turtleneck and my black boots. Another way to pair it would be with a mesh mock neck shirt. I couldn't choose between these two looks, so I'm gonna leave it to you. If you're feeling minimal, pair it with dainty jewelry like on the right, and if you're not, the left one's for you.